Welcome to Biosamachar YouTube channel. So our first video is gonna about BSc Biotechnology is a good option for NEET dropouts. So let me break out for you. You are not alone. Many people have faced this situation. Didn't crack the NEET? Don't worry. Now you are looking for the options. Now BSc Biotechnology is a good option for NEET dropouts. Let me break out for you. What's the difference between BSc Biotechnology and MBBS? Both are undergraduate degree. In BSc Biotechnology, what is biotechnology? Biotechnology is mixed of biology and technology. The prominent field of biotechnology is like genetics, molecular biology, plant tissue culture, animal tissue culture, and it has tremendous scope in healthcare and agriculture sector as well, and these days AI and lot many. So we will have another video in which we will discuss the scopes of biotechnology. Presently we will discuss about what course, which college, higher education, and salary package after BSc Biotechnology. So what is the, let's understand first what's the difference between BSc Biotechnology and MBBS. So let me clear it out to you very clearly that MBBS is a clinical practice course where you treat the patient. BSc Biotechnology is not a patient treatable course. It is about the research of the clinical aspects of the biology. It could be healthcare research, it could be agriculture research, it could be research with the computer applications of the biology, that is bioinformatics, microbiology, where we learn about the microbes and the microorganisms. So it is altogether a very two different aspect. Here we understand about biology in a research perspective, and in MBBS we understand from a clinical perspective. So you should be very clear before choosing this course that it is not about clinical practice, it is about research. But still, you will be always associated with your dream field of biology, that is healthcare. If you wanted to be a healthcare professional but you are not able to practice it clinically, you can still help to save millions of lives. We have seen COVID, the situation of the COVID, where biotech has become a savior, and it has the vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech has saved the life of millions of people. So previously the scope of the biotechnology in India was not defined that much, but now it has been defined. So now about the structure of BSc Biotechnology course. So it has two options. Now one is BSc Biotechnology, which is a 3-year degree course. The other course is BSc Biotechnology Research, which is a 4-year degree course. So the major difference between a 3-year and 4-year degree course is that in 3-year degree course, in the first year we study all about the basics of the biotechnology, which comprises of the different subjects introduction, like the introduction of genetics, introduction of microbiology, biochemistry, biophysics, microscopy, and many more subjects. In second year of the BSc course, we study about the specialized course of the biotechnology, like molecular biology, plant tissue culture, animal tissue culture, and many more. And in the third year of the BSc Biotechnology, we do a 6-month dissertation along with our elected specialized course like IPR, pharmaceutical biotechnology, and we do 6 months research in any of the internship in any of the biotechnology research centers available across India or in abroad, or with the companies which provide internship to the BSc graduates. And this is how we complete the BSc Biotechnology 3 years course. And now what is in a 4-year degree course? So in a 4-year degree course, complete 1 year is dedicated for your research project. So you already know how to do the research, and you establish your own hypothesis, and then you try to execute and achieve that. So that just the duration of the 6 months internship and the 1 year research is variable in the both BSc Biotechnology 3-year course and BSc Biotechnology 4-year course. So some of the colleges provide BTech in biotechnology as well, which is a 4-year degree course. So now it is up to you, like how many years you want to dedicate for a graduate course. So the difference now, you must be thinking about like what if I go for a 3-year degree course, and can I go to abroad after that? So let me clarify it you. With a 3-year degree course, we cannot go abroad directly for an MSc. For that, we have to either pursue most of the colleges, like in colleges in UK and all, they require 4-year undergraduate degree course for that. So they don't allow a directly BSc biotechnology to pursue a master degree or a PhD course directly over there. So those who have done BSc research 4-year degree course, they can directly pursue a PhD in abroad as well, in India as well, because now UGC has changed the guidelines for the PhD. Now MSc is not compulsory, but though compulsory for pursuing PhD. So but those who have done 3 years BSc biotechnology course, they can pursue MSc or MBA biotechnology to enter into either the research academia field or either enter into the corporate world. Now option is up to you. You can plan the way you wanted to plan it. If you want to know more about the BSc biotechnology course, do comment to us. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.